Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to check battery level on your headphones Vivo TWS 2 with using your iOS device. So you have only one option, is to create a widget. So just press and hold at empty space, then click edit or plus at the left top. Now add widget, scroll down and click on batteries. Now choose the best one widget for you. Let's say that's okay for me. After you decide, click add widget and right now you can check battery level. These headphones didn't support application on iOS, so this is the only way. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!